Hey guys, it's Molly. I'm gonna do another 16 by 40. I really like those kind of long canvases lately. I'm gonna do it all black base and I'm using all metallics. I've kind of been digging the metallic vibe lately too. So I have, and I'll show you, I have a extreme sheen in rose gold, and I have a maroon that I made up out of permanent red, black, and a little bit of gold. So I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm painting over an old canvas, and we'll see what happens. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna paint over this piece. This was a piece that I did with gloss medium only, just to see if I could get any cells, and I did a ring pour and the paints were really thin and it came out okay, and I never even varnished it. It's just this glossy from the gloss medium by itself, but it didn't sell and I'm not in love with it, so I'm gonna pour over it today. Like I said in the beginning, I'm using all metallics and they're all watered down for my Dutch pour. But what I'm also using is the rose gold extreme sheen, and this one, because it has a tendency to kind of just spread out everywhere, I mixed it with very little of my pouring medium, and I actually added some liquitex pouring medium in there. So hopefully to bind it, to make it, the pigment to stay together, because I did add quite a bit of water. I also made this maroon color out of permanent red. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's beautiful. Permanent red, gold, and some black, and I think it'll complement all the bronze, and I just wanted something with a little bit of contrast in there. So I'm gonna use no white. I'm just using all metallics today. So the colors are kind of similar, so I hope that they don't just end up being kind of like a muddy pink mess on here, but I'm gonna spread the paint. Okay, so this is down, and I think I'll start with the, oh God, just spilled it all. Okay, so I'm gonna start with just a line. So this is that rose gold. If it's gonna spread, I would like that one to be the background, to spread out. I cannot believe I spilled like half my gold over here. Then I'll go with the copper next. And these colors will be kind of similar, but that's okay. I think I actually will drizzle a line of black in there at this point as well. And I'll keep doing that, drizzling a line of. So now I'm gonna come in with the gold. And then this beautiful maroon color that I made. And then maybe a little bit more black. So my other black one and the white one that I did, somebody contacted me, so thank you, Kathy, and she loved it and she bought it. And here I was thinking, oh man, my iridescence didn't work. So thank you guys for making me like my own artwork sometimes. You guys talk about it and I'm like, oh, I didn't see that in there. Or, you know, it gives me a different perspective on things, and I really, really appreciate that. Okay, way too much color. Crap. As I say that, I put more color, but I wanted some black in there. Okay, I am gonna pour the black around here, but I'm not going to pour it over the colors because I've got the black in the center, and I think that that should be enough. So here we go. Whoops. Got a couple of little booger clumps that came out there. There's one. Ugh. Gross. All right. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna blow outward, I think. Right, guys? Now I'm second guessing myself. I'm just gonna blow out. Start from the middle and blow out. And try not to drop the blow dryer. Oh, those cells are so pretty. Way too much black on that side. I had to blow it off. I'll try to fix this. Oh, wow, this is really pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna blow this way. A lot of black there. Dang, I had too much black on there. I'll have to fix these little spots. I'm not gonna mess with it, guys. I am not gonna mess with this one. I really like it. Oh, I said I'm not gonna, okay, maybe just. Nope, shouldn't have messed with it. Okay, so this right here, I'm just gonna, because I did kind of want this one to stay in the center. So I'm gonna blow that off a little bit. And I maybe don't mind that that came off this bottom. I might blow that up there just a little bit more too. Oh, this is always the dilemma of to fiddle or not to fiddle. I think yeah. Guys, like I wish somebody was here to like, you know how they do the commercial with the V8 and they smack them on the head and say you should have had your V8? Like, I wish somebody was here for me and could say, you shouldn't have fiddled, you know? All right, here, let me show you. Okay, so here it is, and I'm hoping that it'll pick up correctly because the light on black always does something funny. But look at all those amazing, gorgeous cells. Oh, I got my eyeball like I normally get. Hey, eyeball. But look at these cells down here. So the rose gold seem to hold up pretty well. Wow. This may be one of my, look at that. It may be one of my new favorites. I don't, well, maybe I do. Maybe I say that on every single one. Oh gosh. Guys, please keep your fingers crossed that this one dries nicely. I actually kind of like this little bit that's open down there. Adds, I think, a little bit more interest. What? I see a lot of fish faces. Like, isn't that a fish? Is that a fish face with a little gill? No? Maybe I'm crazy. You guys think I'm crazy? It's okay. I still love you if you do. I see so many eyeballs. I like it. Yay, me. Okay, guys. Maybe the paint fumes are getting to me. All right. I will show you guys once dry. Till then. Happy painting. Bye. All right, guys. Here she is. Well, I think it's a she. I'm not sure. Can't really see it too well, but it's really, really shiny in the metallics. Look at those cells. Wow, those cells are beautiful. So that's basically all of it. I'm glad I left that little wispy part right there. So, trying to get you out of the glare. There it is. I love it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting.